A few weeks ago, this happened in my closet. So I wanted to take this opportunity to reconfigure some things and make over my closet and wardrobe. If you want to see what happens next, then stay tuned. Talk to me nice, talk to me honestly. Look in my eyes. So the first thing I had to do was take everything out of the closet because it was a total mess. All of my clothes had fallen on the floor. Now this is my closet within my walk-in wardrobe. I have converted a bedroom into a walk-in wardrobe, and this is the closet that was part of the bedroom. So I decided to reinforce the shelf that was in there and add a new hanging bar. This particular part of the closet is my coat closet. So I went ahead and hung up my coats get them off the floor. and then some of the hangers I had to switch because these coats are kind of heavy. These are like my winter coats, most of them, and I was using some flimsy plastic hangers that just wasn't working out, so I converted it to wooden hangers. I had to take the curtains down off of the front of the closet because I'm going to be putting up bifold doors, and these curtains actually need to be washed. So I'm taking them down to wash them, but also to get them out the way so I can put the bifold doors up without obstruction. All right, so this is what we're looking like so far. I fixed the shelf. Added some things that were down at the bottom on top of the shelf so they get them off the floor. All of my hangers are good. They're not broken. They can support the weight of the coat. So the next phase for this area is to put a bifold door over this. I have to go to Home Depot and get that. I haven't gotten it yet, so it may or may not be in this video. I haven't decided yet. Maybe next video, since this is a part one. But as you can see, there is already a track up there. There were bifold doors on this closet because this is a bedroom, obviously. So this is the closet within my closet. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and put another bifold door here, and it will be painted white as well. So look out for that. So the next thing I'm going to be doing, other than this closet, this was like the most immediate need because my clothes are on the floor after the shelf fell. But the next thing I'm going to be doing is moving my attention to this side of the room. And I'm going to be putting wallpaper over these doors. And then I'm also going to be adding trim along the edge. Yeah, I feel like these wardrobes need a little zhuzh. And also the drawers, I'm going to be putting drawer front on them. and they're going to have the same corresponding wallpaper and trim. Let me show you the wallpaper though. Alright, so this is the wallpaper I'm going to be using. It's a little blown out with the light and everything. It has like a damask design on it, as you can see, with these leaves. I think these are acanthus leaves, but I got them off of Amazon. This is the brand if you want to look it up. But yeah, it's a peel and stick wallpaper that I'm going to add to the doors and the drawer fronts. So I'll have to make the drawer fronts. That will be in part 2. But in this video, I'm going to add them to all of the doors that I have. I bought some doors for this wardrobe too, so I'm going to add those, and that is what I'm doing next. I went ahead and put up this panel just to see how fussy the wallpaper was, if it was difficult. It's not difficult at all. I was lucky also that the width of the wallpaper is the same width as the door. So I didn't really have to trim off on the sides. I just had to trim at the bottom because I cut it just a little bit longer than the length of the door. So I'm going to go ahead and do these other doors, and then I'll show you how I put it up. But it's really nice wallpaper. It's really thick. You just have to be careful when you're putting, like cutting it and stuff. It crinkles a little bit in the front, but you can kind of like rub on it a little bit and get the crinkles out because it's really thick. I didn't also notice that there's also this like sparkle to it, so that's that's nice. I didn't realize that. So pretty pleased with how it's looking so far, and I'm gonna do the other doors and I'll take you along with me. Guys, I'm on my last panel, but I have to take it off the hinges because I can't get to the back of this because it's right up against this other door. So I'm going to try and put this on now, and then we're all done. All right, she's done. Let me see if I go on this side, maybe I get a better look here. Yeah, you can see a little bit better what it looks like. Ooh, that last panel was a doozy. But yeah, all of them are paneled now, or the wallpaper's on all the doors. So the next thing, as I said, was to put the trim on. And I don't know if you can kind of see this. There's like a shimmer to this. It's hard to see here in this light, but there's like a little bit of a shimmer, which I like, to this wallpaper. But I'm so glad it's all done now. Alright, so you can see how the damask wallpaper looks here. And so I'm going to be purchasing some decorative molding. This is just an example. This is not the kind of molding I want, but just to give you an idea, the molding will go on the edge here, and then there will be kind of like, it would just be more decorative here, and you know, just like a box to outline the door. And then I'll put the crystal knobs back on, and then we'll be done with the makeover of these closet doors. I'm going to do that in the next video, but I think right now this is a good stopping point so that I can go get the trim that I want, and also get the doors for this closet here. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up, and also I would love to have you here to see what's going to happen next. And if you want to see what's going to happen, go ahead and click the subscribe button and the notification bell so you know when I upload the next video, the part 2 of my closet wardrobe makeover. Anyway, I hope you have a great day or night wherever you are, and until I see you next time, take care.